Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Trivedi. I am a student of City International School studying in class 7th, and today I am going to tell you about how to balance a chemical equation. Let's get started. Step 1. Write down the given equation. For example, we will take C3H8 plus O2 gives H2O plus CO2. Step 2. Write down the given atom per element. You have to do it for each side of the element. You can also look for the subscript to find the number of atoms of the element. Step 3. Keep oxygen and hydrogen at last. Both hydrogen and oxygen are common in molecules, so it is best to balance them at last. Step 4. Start with the single element. If there is more than one element to balance, we will take the element which is single molecules for reactants and product. Step 5. Use coefficient to balance the carbon atom. Add a coefficient to the single carbon atom on the right side of the equation to balance it with the 3 carbon atom. Step 6. Balance the hydrogen now. Now you have 8 atoms on the left side. You will need 8 atoms on the right side also. Use coefficient to achieve this. Step 7. Balance oxygen atom. Now you have 6 oxygen atoms in the carbon dioxide molecules and 4 oxygen atoms in the water molecules, which gives 10 atoms. Now when you have done all these steps, your answer will look like this. Thank you.